The ALS user meetings, to me, are a time that I get to see the types of science that are going on with ALS, get to learn about a new technique or something that I'm not super familiar with, and it's really just an opportunity to see what all is going on.
It's a very special user meeting. It's the 25th anniversary of first light at the ALS. If there is a good time to start coming here, it's now. If you always wanted to learn about a new technique, this is also the time to come.
I'm a co-organizer for this year's user meeting, and we've assembled a diverse set of keynote speakers and science highlights to sort of exemplify the science that's gone on at the ALS and tell the story of its construction and give a perspective on the outlook to just sort of celebrate the 25 years of light at the ALS.
You get a lot out of 3 days. You get information about how the ALS runs. You have the interaction with the UEC, which is the link between the users and the ALS management. In the workshops, it's more specific in your field, so you can learn and get inspired for new experiments. And especially this year, since we have tutorial day, especially for students, it will be very attractive. They can just sign up for the tutorial and get their fee waived, or can even attend online.
We're trying to celebrate the 25 years of light that have gone on by looking at the history of how the ALS was constructed, then looking at sort of the progression of science that's occurred at the ALS, and then looking to the next 25 years.